my name is Dania. You're gonna be watching my videos today. So I'm gonna be talking about this. I'm in Toys R Us. So there's a phone or a cash register. There's sunscreen in a bottle, some money, a card, a cash register. You can even test it. Look. You can press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's no 10s. And there's some Barbies over here. This is when you buy something, you press on it. Like I bought a bottle. I press on bottle. And you wanna? I feel like trying this. So let me try it. How does this thing work? So even it writes Barbie. So I think it can work to press. And there is even money over here. Let's see, what is this button for? Whoa! A sound come up. Let's see it again. And let's see, what is this for? It doesn't open. So that's what I'm gonna be showing today. Wait, I'm not done. Because this is when you press 1, there's a 1 over here. Talking about fingerling. So this is a blue sparkly fingerling, and I really like it because it has sparkles over here. There is more over here, like you can collect even a unicorn who's white, a unicorn who's pink, a unicorn who's purple. So much animal fingerlings you can collect. Unicorn fingerlings who's sparkly. You can collect any that you want. Over here, there is no unicorn. There is one white, pink, purple, blue. So this is the tail is sparkly, but here is not sparkly. So if you wanna collect this one, the sparkly white, or you wanna collect this one, the sparkly blue. And over here there's a rainbow, and this one has rainbow tail and a rainbow hair. So there's the thing that we can climb over here, but I don't know what it is. Fingerlings can climb, and I want to show you something. Look, there's a boy playing with the blue one, a girl who's playing with the pink one. There's other fingerlings over here, and there's, I don't know, these are fluffies. These are fluffies. Fingerlings, but these are not fluffies. And even there's some unicorns. There is pink, white, purple, and there's I don't know which kind of animal is that. And there's white, pink, and white. There's a rainbow over here, but this doesn't have rainbow. So do you like the blue fingerling or the pink fingerling? We have Moana. So her grandma, when she was sick, she was laying down in a village. She gave her this necklace that she's wearing so she can keep the heart of Defiti inside the necklace. And there was a girl. Her name is Defiti. She's all green. Her face is green even. She turned to a fire monster, but after when Moana saved the day, she turned back to Defiti. So I'm going to talk about all the characters who's in the movie of Moana. So her friend Maui. I want to show you the thing of Maui. It's right over here. You see Maui? When he sees the monster, he hit it with his thing. And Fiti turned back to all green. So there is the characters right over here. There is the pig of Moana, the chit of Moana. I don't know what the pig's name, but I only know what the chit's name. I don't remember. There is Moana, her pets, her dad, her mom, and Maui when he's Huttabra. It's right over here. And Moana is from Hawaii. Hawaii is in America. And she was sick and she was laying down in a village. And she was really sick, but when her dad was really angry, when he heard the sound of her grandma, he ran and he said, "That's your mother!" And she's not wearing nothing over here because she's from Hawaii, and she's not wearing any shoes because she's in the beach with her dad, and her dad doesn't want to go to the boat and surf because he said, "No more going to the ocean. There's some dolphins." And Moana said, "But if there's no dolphins in the sea, we can just go to the sea, surf, and with the boats." And I want to show you something. My sister found the costume of Moana. I can pretend that I'm Moana, so I can wear it just like this. You see? The costume of Moana. This is a pygmy pup. This is a large one, but those, I watched Addie and Maya. Avery was the new student that she was in toy school. For dinner is not healthy. It's sugar. You eat only candies. When Addie and Maya, they brought some healthy vegetables. They brought carrots. Miss Lucy took their carrots and she gave them healthy food. Sugar food. She gave them candy, and candy is not healthy for food. So, and after when Avery she was a toy expert. She knows all the territories. So Miss Lucy gave her a large pygmy pup, who I'm talking about, and she gave Addie and Maya a just small pygmy pup, and there's even big pygmy pups over there. There's big pygmy pups. And there is different pygmy pops that you just take off the cap, and after you do like this, and that pop out, and after you start opening it, and you collect a pygmy pop who it can smell like strawberry, watermelon, grape, melon, all the fruit that you like, but sometimes different ones, different smells, and even they come with a message. Like Avery got a message and her message was beautiful. You're beautiful, and she even got another message. She said, "Uki the monkey." That's what she said of Wonder Woman. She used this thing because she's a beautiful girl, and that's what Wonder Woman wear. She's a superhero. And I know what is this thing. This is her. It's for her hands. This is her thing who's in her head right over here.
And this is for her hands.
And this is for her hands to be a superhero. And she has something yellow too. When people be rude, she get it with her yellow thing. So, the one who has long hair. So Rapunzel, she has long hair, and her mean witch cut her hair because after when the prince comes, she put the hair of Rapunzel in the window, and after when the prince was climbing from her hair, the witch was rooted, and after she pushed him out of the hair of Rapunzel. And she even have a thing over here so everybody can know that she dressed up to Rapunzel. Yeah, this thing that I like. And her favorite color is purple because her dress is purple. Me too. My favorite color is purple. She has yellow. She has sparkles. Even Aurora, she likes sparkles even. Come, this is really. So that's why I like it. You do. This is how it goes. This there's a heart that is a Barbie. This one is a Cadillac Escalade. I heard the mom of Addie and Maya said the pink one is a Cadillac Escalade. There is a button for use it over here, but not real. This is some sound if you don't hear really on, or I don't know what this button's for. And this is the code. That's the code. You have to press the numbers, and after you have to press one of this. Like for watching my video. If you want to see more Toys R Us and videos to Toy Family, clicking the button, and then you will learn all my videos. Bye.